What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. It's 2021, so we have a bunch of brand new Hot Wheels 5-packs. Let's go ahead and open them up. And we'll start it off with the Hot Wheels Sports 5-pack. It's a brand new 2021 5-pack. I've never seen a sports edition of a 5-pack. You can see it's got a bunch of different sports on there and cars that represent them. Let's go ahead and open this one up and get a look at all of these sports inspired cars inside right here. We'll just rip it right open and we'll grab this packaging, and let's start it off with our top car right here. And our top one looks to be like a Mustang that is a baseball inspired sport here. So there you can see the baseball that just goes around there. Hot Wheels written down right down the side right there. Definitely looks like a Mustang funny car. Doesn't open up. I mean, the older Mustang funny cars did, but for some reason these new ones that they're making, they do not open up. So a little bit less detail on that part, but still nonetheless, you can still see the engine through there. You can still see the Hot Wheels logo right on the front with the baseball inspired striping and all of that as well. 71 on the back, looks to be a 1971 Mustang. Pretty cool. I like that, but there we go. That's our first one. And our next one, it looks to be the El Camino, and this looks to be the basketball edition. So you can see HW Sports on the side of it, and it's kind of an interesting color to it. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a hard court or something, like the color. I don't think so, maybe not, but nonetheless, looks pretty cool. I like the gold inspired on it, and we got the blacked out wheels on there, the big engine on the back of this one right here. Pretty cool looking El Camino. And then next up, we've got this one right here, and this one looks to be, I think it's a soccer one or football if you're in Europe, but you can see the soccer balls that are all just around right there, and we can see the HW Sports written on there. Looks like a little bit of a goal of some sort right on the back right there. And what is this exact car called? I'm not even sure. I'm not sure the exact name of this car. If you guys know the name of the exact car, let me know in the comment section down below. It's some sort of newer fantasy car though. But we'll go on to our next one, and here we have, ooh, check that one out. This one's definitely football inspired. Look at the big engine on this one, and this one is Night Shifter. That's what I thought it was, Night Shifter. I was just double checking on there, but there we go. Night Shifter looks really good. I like these wheels on there too. They look really good for the Night Shifter, and on the front, very, very aggressive front end on him as well for the football themed one. And our last one is the factory team. This looks to be a cycling one, and there you go. You can see the bikes on the back of this one, and this one is Rise and Climb, and there we go. So Rise and Climb carrying the bikes on there. Cool color on there. It's a nice glossy finish to it with a little bit of sparkle mixed in, but very, very cool for Rise and Climb for our Hot Wheels Sports 5-pack. And next up, we've got the brand new Corvette 5-pack. Again, brand new for 2021. You can see it's got a nice Corvette on the side right there. It says Corvette on this side with the Corvette logo right there, and then the Corvette on the back as well. Looks like a C6R of some sort. Let's go ahead and open it up though before I smash the box anymore and wreck it. We're just gonna rip it on open right here. I know it's most unconventional way that I open up these 5-packs, but you know what? It's fun to just rip them open. So we'll grab out the cars from there, and let's go ahead and start with our first one right here. And this looks to be like a Corvette C6. I think it's a Grand Sport, if I'm not mistaken. Does it say on the bottom? It doesn't say exactly, but it does look like the Grand Sport. It's got the C6 Grand Sport kind of little slots right there on the side of it. Nice looking from the back. Not much detail as far as stamping goes on the back for the lights or anything like that. Cool color. I like this striping. I'm seeing a lot of this now where they kind of start the stripes small and they kind of work their way back a little bit thicker and bigger there, but looks pretty cool. I really like this C6 Grand Sport. We'll go ahead and throw that one down. And next up, we've got, it looks like a Corvette C3 Stingray. And I don't know what all these things on the side of it, what this exact logo is right there. Can't really see exactly what that is. I'm not really sure. If you guys know, let me know in the comment section down below. It's also got some sort of name on the side of it as well. Cool looking though. I like the coloring of these, of the wheel and tire combination. Look at the nice colored lip on those wheels. C3 Corvettes are one of my favorites. I really, really like them. Very, very cool looking Stingray design, as they would call it. And then next up, we've got And this one, I think it's, what is this exact one called? I can't remember what the Corvette Stingray it says, but I feel like there is a Speed Racer series or something car named after this one here. So it just looks like a concept car of some sort of variation. HW Speed Shop on there, and it's got the nice 2 on it as well. I don't know, kind of interesting to see this one in here. I haven't really seen this casting recently, but there we go. Nonetheless, we got it in the 5-pack. Our next Corvette, and this one looks to be like the 60s Grand Sport race car, the Corvette race car. So does it say on the back of it? It does not. Just says 2014 Mattel. No. So it is it's a 60s Grand Sport Corvette, I believe, the racer Corvette. But pretty neat. I like the color of this one. We did see this one as a mainline. And also, I believe this one comes as a supercharger hunt for 2021, but now we've got this different color one in this 5-pack. And last but not least, we've got the Corvette C6R, and this looks to be definitely the one on the back. You can see the one on the back right there. There's your C6R. So we have this C6R. I like it. This is probably my favorite car in this pack here. Love the yellow, love the big spoiler on the back, the blacked out wheels with the colored lip on there. Fantastic looking Corvette. And our next 5-pack is the HW Design Lab, or Hot Wheels Design Lab 5-pack. We've got 5 cars in here. Let's go ahead and pop this one open, and we can see what this one is all about. We've got some pretty neat looking colors in this one, so let's go ahead and have a look at our first one right here, which is the GM Chevrolet, I believe it is. I think it's the GM Chevrolet. Let's see if it says on the bottom here. Yeah, it is the Chevrolet letter, I believe that it is. But nonetheless, it looks like some sort of concept car. But I mean, the main story here is just check out the graphics and the design and all of that on here for this Design Lab, of course. And I like the side of it. It does look kind of like Corvette-ish from the side. Looks like a 60s Corvette type style on there. Even with the front, it kind of looks like a 60s Corvette type of style. But obviously, it's very futuristically made, and it's made to look like it's got all these cool designs and stuff like that on there. So that's our first one from this 5-pack. And next up, we have the Hot Wheels High right here. There it is. This is a brand new color variation. Of course, it is from this new 5-pack. And just check out all the design features on the side of it. It looks like some sort of like maybe a protractor of some sort. I'm not sure exactly what that's supposed to be right there. We've got the Hot Wheels logo just right on the side. Nice blacked out wheels on there with the colored lip on it. Lots of chrome on the front end. And it's got the blue tinted windows, and it's got the interior of chrome. So you can kind of see that chrome right inside of there. There is the chrome on the back for the engine. It looks like it's got like jets that are coming out. Look at it. You can see them just kind of poke out right there. So pretty neat looking casting. I do like the color of this one. I think it looks really neat on this car. And our next one is called Synchro, and Synchro is a nice looking white casting right here with some like paint splashed right onto the side. It says create on the side of it, and check out the pink tires on here. That's very interesting. I don't think I've seen that before. Pink tires with the white wheels, and you can even see the inlay behind them is also pink, which is pretty cool looking. Not much detail as far as the back goes. Check out the exhaust pipes though, different colored exhaust pipes. It also is like that pinky magenta color on the bottom as well, which is pretty neat. And then we've got the colored interior on here. So it's an overall like a sporty looking car, but I think it looks pretty cool, the Synchro. And next up we have Off Track. Check this one out. Check out those details on the side of it. Tech Racing, it says on the side of it. Again, very, very interesting color choice on this one right here. Nice looking lip spoiler on here. There's your spare tire in the back. And then we've got this like crossbar inlaid into here. It almost looks like an X-Racer type crossbar mixed into there. Just check out all the paint and stuff on the side of it. That's really, really neat. Big push bar on the front end and aggressive looking headlights on it as well. And our last car from this Hot Wheels 5-pack is Time Tracker right here. And this one looks to be like an off-road kind of a dirt race car of some sort, and you can see the chrome interior on there that's kind of see-through through those windows. And then just check out the paint and stuff on the back of it right here. I'm not sure exactly what this writing is supposed to mean. I don't know if you guys know what it is. Comment down below right here, and check out all the cool graphics and stuff on the side of this one. Blacked out wheels with the colored lip on there, and there's that big spoiler on the back. Huge rear wing on there. We've got the little exhaust in chrome that kind of comes out right there, and I like this little touch touch of that little chrome bits on the top as well, and just kind of right here, kind of louvers right there. Pretty neat. Not much as far as detail on the front end goes. We got that cowl hood on there, but not too bad. Kind of a cool looking casting. And our next 5-pack is the Hot Wheels Exotics 5-pack. You guys know this is probably my favorite one that we're opening up today. So let's get right to it right away. Let's not waste any time. And of course, our first car is probably going to be our highlight car from this one. Actually, you know what? There's a couple of good cars in this set. Let's go ahead and see it. The Bugatti Chiron, brand new recolor of the Bugatti Chiron. This one is in a light blue color, and it's got like a little bit of a silverish white trim on there. Then check out those white wheels on there. They're the oversized mesh white wheels on there. It looks really, really cool. There's your classic horseshoe Bugatti right there, the horseshoe grill on there as well, with the little Bugatti logo just sticking right through. I wish we got painted headlights on here. That would be a really cool touch, because the headlights on the Bugatti Chiron look really, really cool. So hopefully in the future they'll make a premium version that will add that in. But nonetheless, it's such a great looking design car. I absolutely love the Bugatti Chiron. Next up, we have the Aston Martin, and I believe this is a V8 Vantage, I think. Yeah, it is. Aston Martin V8 Vantage. There we go. I was right. So there it is. Classic green color. The nice stripe that goes down the middle. Cool looking headlight details right there. Classic Aston Martin grille on there. I like these 10-spoke chrome wheels on there. They look really good. Not much as far as tampa work goes on the rear end right there, but still, nonetheless, a really, really cool looking car overall. I love Aston Martins. And then we have our Lamborghini Veneno, brand new color of this one. Check this one out. I love the Veneno. It's one of the most exotic looking Lamborghinis. Just everything about it is just absolutely crazy. We've had many recolors of this casting, and now we've got it in this 5-pack, but still, nonetheless, I just love all the new colors that they come out with this one. Blacked out wheels with the white lip on there. Just a fabulous, fabulous design car. Love the Lamborghini Veneno. And then next up, we have the Lotus Esprit Twin Turbo. This one in white with the white mesh wheels. Bigger wheels on the back and then smaller ones on the front. And then we can check out that off-center stripe that kind of has like a little pinstripe also that matches with it as well. So it's kind of cool. It's a little bit of a neat touch, something a little bit different. We got the little Lotus logo on the front end right there as well. They're pop-up headlights, so we don't see any of those ones on there. Not much as far as painting or stamping or tampa work or anything like that on the back end of it, but nonetheless, an overall great looking car. And our last car from this Hot Wheels 5-pack is the Jaguar the Project 7, I believe this one. I think it is. Yeah, the F-Type Project 7. There we go. 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. Nice looking color on this one. Gray wheels on there. There's your classic F-Type Project 7, the little circle stamping on there, and then there's that stripe on the front end. Great looking headlight work on there. Looks absolutely fabulous. And we got that cool looking spoiler that pops up on the back. And I like these Jaguar rear ends. They look really, really nice. Really nice designs ones on there. The Project 7 F-Type Jaguar. And our final 5-pack that we're opening up today is the Hot Wheels Track Builder Unlimited 5-pack. And this one says Track Stars just right up on the top right there. So these ones are good for the track. Let's go ahead and pop these ones open and see. Looks like we've got some fantasy cars included on here, but a couple of pretty popular fantasy cars. So let's go ahead and rip this one right open and see what we have. So our first one right here is the Governor. We've got an all white Governor, all plastic body on here. So a little bit disappointing. I mean, it's not a full metal body, but nonetheless, it's kind of a cool looking, aggressive, like cartoonish looking car. We've got the exhaust that's kind of built in there, which looks like they're like fans of some sort on the back of it. Orange wheels on there. These are these Hot Wheels wheels that we saw. I think we saw these ones on the Honda City Turbo 2 first. Now we're getting them in a bunch of Hot Wheels cars. Cool graphics on the side and just kind of plain from the front end of the Governor. All right, next up we have the HW40, the Hot Wheels HW40. We haven't seen this one for a while. It's kind of a cool looking car. Check it out from the front. It almost looks kind of like maybe Ferrari / Jaguar-ish from the front end, and it's actually a cool looking design from the side. Very, very sporty looking. Kind of looks almost a little bit Corvette-esque from the back end right there. It's kind of a mixture of some cool sports cars. We got orange wheels on it. There's your number 4 on the side, some graphics on the side of it. And it looks like it's got some big engine on the front. Check out that big engine right there. And it's kind of got the blue windows that covers up it all, but not bad. HW40. And then to follow that, we've got the HW50 concept. There it is, HW50 concept. We saw this one for the 50th anniversary of Hot Wheels, and now we're getting some even more colors of it. We've had a few different recolors of it, but this one is really cool. I don't even know what to call this color. It's like a purplish teal, maybe magenta-ish color. Really, really cool looking. I really do like it. And then we've got the orange wheels with the chrome lip. That is very unique. I don't think I've ever seen orange wheels with the chrome lip on there. What do you think of that? That looks pretty cool. We got the chrome all on the bottom as well. Very, very shiny chrome on the bottom of that one right here. And then check out that engine right there, sitting nicely. We've got the bumper on there, that's all chrome as well. And we go to the back end, we've got that little bit of a diffuser on there, that's chrome as well. Just the HW50 concept, I was a fan of this one when it came out. I still like it. This is a great recolor of that one. And next up we have, let's see what this one is. This one looks like Speedbox. I think it is Speedbox. So there we go, SB, yeah, it is SB on there. So Speedbox 1, SB1. We've got the orangish, kind of like yellowish orange tinted windows on there, chrome interior on this one, and just check out the kind of wide body in chrome on there. Really, really cool. Check out the colors on this one as well. That is absolutely crazy. Love the colors on that. Chrome all right on that bumper right there, and then that chrome big front grille. Very Rolls Royces on that for that big grille on the front end. But not bad. Speed box for this one. And our very last one that we have right here is the Twinduction. Check out Twinduction. It's kind of like a muscle-ish car look to it. And just check out those wheels. These wheels, I don't think I've seen these wheels before. They look like they've got some deep dish on them. Check those ones out. I have never seen those wheels before. That is really, really cool. So maybe we're getting some new wheels to the lineup for 2021. This is a brand new recolor for this one right here. Check out that engine right there. Wow, check it out how it sticks up, and it's also painted engine on there. This is just a really cool design car. I really, really like it. It's very like a muscle car slash sports car. It almost looks like a Mustang crossed with the 350Z. That's kind of what this one is. Nice looking rear end on there, but just an overall really, really cool looking fantasy car. I really like this one. I like the design and stuff on the side of it as well. Nice looking car. All right, guys, and there is all of our brand new 2021 Hot Wheels 5-packs that we opened up today. Let me know in the comment section down below which 5-pack was your favorite and which car in particular was your favorite. I think you guys can pretty easily guess which pack and which car I'm gonna pick. I love the Exotics 5-pack that they came out with, and of course, I love this Bugatti Chiron. But still, nonetheless, the Corvette one was really good. I was actually impressed also with this last one that we opened up with all the cool colors on that 5-pack as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.